Do you recognize this? Oh my goodness, from Christ and the Smokies down in Gatlinburg. There it is.
We found it right here in Pigeon Forge. Stay tuned because we're going to tell you where.
You miss Christ and the Smokies Museum and Gardens as much as we do.
It's been closed for quite a while now, and a lot of people actually really do miss it. But we have found it. It has moved. Where is it? When's it gonna open? Let's get ready to go on this adventure that rocks. And see where the sign says coming attractions? I take that to mean March 2022. For starters, you have to come to Feasters on Teasters with the entrance and go through these doors. We are gonna put the address in the description down below. You do have 2 doors to go through. And it says Feasters on Teasters straight ahead, and just keep on walking down. This is gonna be a museum experience like no other. You're gonna get to experience a shroud museum where you'll get to see a replica of the Shroud of Turin. One thing we wanted to point out new coming up here to Pigeon Forge is they're gonna have this all displayed in a cyclorama format. It is expected to open March 2022, so it's right around the corner. I'm loving the wood sculptures here, like of Jesus at the Last Supper. And they've got all kinds of wooden memorabilia down here. And then they have this great one of where he was born. One thing we liked about this face is whenever you turn, he tends to follow you. That's just really cool. This is gonna be so awesome to see the story of Jesus with life-size figures.
Yes, now he's never seen it. I have. Have you? Because I want to hear about it and I can't wait to see the difference between it being here in Pigeon Forge and the one in Gatlinburg.
Yeah, so we can't wait to see what you think when it opens coming in March.